Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to try out Flask. So I've been using JavaScript for the longest time, and I think it's now time to test out Python for web development. So today I'm going to test out Flask and see how it feels. Okay, so first things first, we need to install Flask. So if you're using Windows, you're just gonna say pip. If you're using Mac, it's gonna be pip 3. But since I'm using Windows, it's just pip install, and we're installing Flask, like so. And since I've already installed Flask, it will say required satisfied, just like this. So now, since we have that, that's all we need for today, because it's just the basics of Flask. So inside our file, we will need a few files like the templates, and this will take in the HTML documents. And we will need, not inside, but another file. Oh my god. Another file, static. So static will take in our CSS and images and JavaScript and all those files. And lastly, our app. So this is where we're going to be creating the magic. So since we have this, I don't know why it's displaying over here. We need it to be here. So since we have this, we can now start to code. So we'll call Flask, we'll import Flask, import Flask with the capital letter F. So since we imported Flask, we will need to create an app, and okay, so this is very important. This is us initializing Flask into our app. And now we will need to create something called a route. So this will direct our Flask. Okay, so we say app.route, and we will be taking it to the home page. So every time we reach this, it's directing us to the home page. So now we need a function for the home, and let's just simply return. Let's return hello Flask, just like that. Okay, I'm used to JavaScript, guys. Don't shoot me, okay? Okay, so it's Python. We don't use curly brackets. So return hello Flask. Okay, so we now want to run it. So if our app is equals to the main, then we should run our app. So I think it's app.run, and we should turn on the debugger and make it true. All right. Another thing I want to use is, let me see if I can find it. Command palette. So if you search for simple browser, and this, we will paste in our URL here so that we don't use the Chrome browser to just jump and switch tabs. So let's save this and let's run this. We'll say Python app.py. Okay, so let's copy our HTTP. Let's go back. Where did I find it? Where did I get it? It's here, simple browser, and just paste in your HTTP and just put this to the side. Okay, so here's our app. It's running. Okay, so now let's say we want to use an HTML instead of hard coding like this. We want to render an HTML document. What we need to do is we need to go to templates, and in templates we will have a HTML document. Let's call it home.html, and then let's type in HTML5. It's fine, and we'll call this home for the title, and for the body we'll just print out some p tags. Hello from HTML. Close and save this. Go back to our app and we should remove this, and we should import render template, and within our return we will run render template, and inside here we will have our home.html, and let's save this. Let's refresh this, and now we are running this from the HTML document. As you can see here, hello from HTML. And this is it for the introduction. As you guys can see, it's quite simple. There's not a lot of installations that has to be done like Python, like JavaScript. So Python is just straightforward, simple.